That's right, folks. It's the Vagrant's Valet, and today we've got a very special Spring Break 2024 edition of the Vagrant's Valet coming at you from the great state of Arizona. But hey, back in Indiana, we know there's a lot of people on the streets. There's a lot of homeless people. There's a lot of strangers. Might need a ride. Might need some encouragement. Might need a sandwich. And hey, back in Indiana, take a look at this. Hey there, you need a lift? I can give you a ride if you want.
Well, see, I'm with them, so.
Oh, anybody? Hey, how are you? You need a lift?
Yeah, you want to give us a lift?
Yeah, hop in.
Can you pull up over here?
Yeah, I'll hop in.
We'll probably go around here.
Okay, all right, good thinking.
Can you help a couple ladies out with a pack of smokes?
No, but I can give you a nice warm ride, and I got a drink for you and a candy bar.
Okay.
Here, you can hop in back if you want there. We got room for everybody.
You got room for these?
Yeah. What is all that stuff?
What a sweetheart.
Yeah, that's right.
This is socks. This is clothes.
Yeah. How you been doing? Hop on in. We got room for everybody.
What we're trying to do, we're over the cold.
Yeah. Well, look at all this stuff.
All right.
Are you a hoarder?
I am not.
Oh, okay, good. Are you doing okay?
Yeah, I'm doing great.
What's your name?
Kiana.
Kiana. Well, I just got back into town. What's been going on the streets?
Oh my God, where'd you go?
I went to Phoenix and I went to San Antonio.
What'd you do?
I went and saw my mom and I went and saw my uncle.
Yeah?
And my little cousins. I've got little cousins. Well, they're not little anymore, but they're a lot younger than me.
Okay.
Because my uncle, my youngest uncle.
I love her hair like that. I love it.
Do you?
Absolutely looks good.
Oh, well, thank you. Thank you. What do you think, Kiana?
I love it. Looks all right.
Okay. Yeah, I had a hair transplant in Turkey.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
You told me, and I love it.
Yeah, those Ottomans.
I love it like that.
Those Ottomans know how to do good hair transplants.
In Turkey?
Yeah, in
why Turkey?
Istanbul, because it was cheap, and I don't really. I'm a man of means by no means. Have you heard of Istanbul?
No,
Istanbul. I call it Istanbul. I don't know. Yeah, it's part of this one show. From a show I watched. I think that's
So I haven't been in town in a week. What have I missed around here?
You know that it just got really cold.
Oh.
You missed absolutely nothing yet, but you know this is supposed to be breaking. I thought it was gonna break already, and it hasn't. But you know how long it's supposed to last again?
How long?
It's snowing again today, and we're past. We're in March, you know.
Yeah. How was the weather this past week?
Cold. That's what I mean. It's ridiculous.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Well,
you went on vacation.
It's been freezing cold.
Well, how's your housing situation? Are you close to getting a place?
I'm still waiting, and like everybody else has already got theirs, and so I'm really upset about it. You know, everybody's already got theirs, and I know that there's empty places, but I'm thinking when everybody leaves because school's letting out, that I'm hoping that's going to be the deal with it. I've even there's a guy that he said he'll pay the first month's rent and the deposit if I can just find one that's vacant, that has an opening.
Oh, that's awful nice of him. Who's this dude?
Well, he works down here by the trustee's office, so he's looking for a roommate, and so I'm a roommate, and I thought that was really cool. I mean, all I have to do is find one. I should not find one.
How about you? Kiana? What's going on with you?
Applied.
We need to go right
I ain't heard nothing. They took my health insurance while I was trying to get food stamps
and all. Let me run and check my mail real quick, or can you do that?
Surviving.
Wait, I was confused. What?
Well,
you guys are talking at the same time.
Sorry, I need to go check my mail, but right there's where we need to go, back there at the New Leaf. That's why I interrupted. I'm sorry.
Oh, that's okay.
Okay, if you can pull in the shalom, I'll run in there and check my mail. I'm sorry to interrupt you guys.
Oh, no, it's no trouble at all. Let's see. What do I got to take a left here?
Yeah, it's right past this car lot on the left. You see this little car lot come up? It'll be the driveway after that car lot. I'm just gonna run in there and check my mail real quick.
I can't pull in. There's somebody already pulled in.
Truck, yeah. Okay.
Oh boy, that's. I'll tell you what. I can pull over here. You want to just?
Or yeah, you can pull right here actually.
Okay. Look at that.
Yeah.
Improvise, adapt, and
this is
overcome.
there. I mean, it won't take me very long.
Okay.
Yeah, you want to wait here?
All right. We'll wait for you.
Okay.
Okay.
I'll be right back.
Okay. So what's going on with you, Kiana? Are you close to? How's your housing situation?
I tried to apply, heard nothing. They took my health insurance while I was trying to apply for housing, food stamps, all that. Woke up in the hospital, don't know what happened. The phone I had turned on, I worked for tent. Sleeping bag was gone, everything's gone.
When was this?
It's been a minute, like a couple weeks or so.
What happened to your? You looks like you got hurt there a little
I
bit.
got hit in the eye while I was looking sideways. My vision's coming back this blurrier than it ever was. At first, I couldn't see out of it.
You need me to take you to the hospital?
I've been to the hospital multiple times.
Well, since you hurt your eye, have you been to the hospital?
Mm-hmm.
What'd they say?
It was just a bruise.
What, did somebody hit you?
I guess it either threw something at me, hit me. I don't know. I was looking to the side. I don't know what I got hit with, who did it, nothing. I was arguing with a man that threw a drink in my face. Told him he had no right.
But you've been to the hospitals and they looked at it because you don't want your eye to get infected. Okay.
No, it gets
You
affected.
promised
It gets
me?
affected. They refuse to listen to me about my hip. I've been having issues with my ribs, anything. This life.
Well, you're not looking so good, and I'm a little worried about you. You know what I mean? You got to get a place to live. What have you been taking? You've been taking drugs, or
I can't get help getting a place to live. I can't get help to getting anything I need. I still don't have my social birth certificate or ID.
well,
That they don't even care that a man tried to kill me, drag me by my hair to a tent, nothing, anything.
What's going on with your family? Where's your?
I don't have family anymore.
Well, you're dying out here the way you're living.
That's what they chose for me.
Who chose for
My
you?
family.
No, that's not
Yeah,
true.
it is.
That's not true.
Yes, it is. They gave me $200
Here,
and left me in a different
look at
town. I
me.
only got that $200 because they had to give everyone money for Christmas to make it look right. I don't have any family anymore.
Well, what's the drug situation? You've been taking drugs?
Istanbul thing, I only know because me and my grandma would watch that one show together. So the time we freaking got along again.
Okay. Here. What's your friend's name?
Melissa.
Melissa.
My girlfriend's here. Look, I'm just gonna get out here because I'm gonna eat lunch. They got the lunch going. And
Oh,
lunch is
okay.
going,
I'm
okay.
hungry, so I'm gonna go ahead and get my
Okay,
stuff.
that's fine.
But
That's
I
fine.
love you. Thank you for the ride.
Well, I love you too.
You're so sweet.
Okay. Well, what's your name?
I'm Melissa.
Angela.
Angela's awesome.
You know what? I got some really good candy bars.
Oh,
I'll give you guys all a parting gift. How's that sound, Angela? Yeah. All right, Kiana. I want you to think about what I said. Okay? You're killing yourself the way you're living.
The men hurting me is what's
Who?
Did what happened to her face?
And all
I
that.
mean, let her tell you about it.
Yeah, she did.
They know I have
Okay. Wait.
weapons and all.
You want to come around over here?
She just keeps getting mistreated. I mean, she needs help.
Okay. These nice candy bars are for Bug Garden. From Bug Garden.
What's that?
Oh, he's a friend of mine.
Okay.
One for you. Okay.
Fine. If you got anything but dark, anything but dark.
You want?
Milk chocolate, I love.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh, thank you.
Okay, and one for Angela here.
Thank you.
Oh, thank you.
Okay.
Love you.
And Kiana, I want you to do me a favor.
What?
When you go in there, I want you to give that to somebody. Okay. Okay.
All right.
Look for me. I'll help you. Okay. Think about what I said. Ding ding.
Thank you.
Okay. I love you.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye. Adios. Do. Well, there is quite a crew. I believe we've talked to Kiana before, and we've also talked to the other lady before. I forget the other lady's name, but there is a couple of tough situations there, and I really don't know. I really don't know, other than to say, I guess we can offer some encouragement, a little bit here and there, but there's only so much we can do in so many of those situations. And hey, now it's time to get back on the streets with the Vagrant's Valet. Oh, thank you.